Hello, today we'll learn how to merge two different data in Excel. Now, under Data tab, you have this Get Data feature. Now, we will take help of this feature. Now, if you want how Get Data works, you can find a link in description in which I explain how Get Data feature works. Now, I will click under Data. I will click on Get Data. From File, I will select my first file, and my file is in Excel, so I say from Excel file. My first file is like, or you can say my first table or data is in under employee. I select that, import, select my sheet. This is my table. I say load. My first table is ready now. Now again, I go to data, get data from file, from Excel and workbook. My second data is in department. I select that file, sheet, and load. Fine. Now you have this, after loading both tables, you have this query and connection here. Click on any of this query and connection, double click, your Power Query Editor will be open. Now if I found I have some problem in this, like this is showing as an answer option, so what I will do, I will go here, use the first row, use first row as headers. Fine, it will be perfectly fine now. And also I will give this as a name, like department. Okay, and I will click on this sheet one and give the name of the sheet also. YA employee. Fine. Now, what I have to do, I want to merge this two datas. Now, for merging two datas, as per normal standard rules of database, if you have knowledge of any database, you know that to merge two database, there should be one common field. Now, in employee table, we have department code. Okay, and also in department table we have that field, so perfectly fine now. So I want employee table as my primary table. I click on that. This is my employee table. Now here you have merge queries. Click on this. You have two options, two ways: merge queries within this table itself, or you want to merge and create a new table. I want merge and create a new table or database, you can say. Click on merge queries as new. Now my first table is employee. Here, now from here I will select my second table name, department. I will click this field and this field, which is common in both the table. Now again, which kind of join? This is again same as a standard rule of any database. Which kind of join you want? Here you have different kind of joins. Say for example, left outer join, which says that all from first table matching from second. Okay, so if I select this and I click on OK, okay, now you get this new table which have combination fields of both these table, employee and department, as a new table. Now here you have department. Click on this sign. Now you want to display only what? Only department name from this department table. Click OK. Fine. So now you're seeing here the name is coming like of this column, like department dot department name. So I will just double click on it, and then I will remove this thing, and I can edit basically whatever you want here. Department name. Now close and load. So you're seeing that you get a new database, or you can say your new table, with combination of your employee table and department table. Now if you see here, department 1 human resource, department 2 IT. If you want to check, you can check from here, like department 1 is human resource, department 2 is IT. Automatically each and everything was taken care. Fine. Now if you're saying for employee 6 and 7, you have nothing here. Why? Department name is not there, because here we have department code 8 and 9, and in department table you don't have any department 8 and 9, and you use which kind. Left out to join because of that. Okay, now let's take another example. Employee table. I will again say merge queries. Merge query as new. From here I will select my another table, department. I have to select this column, department code in employee table, department table under department table. Now similarly you can take any kind of joins, right outer, full outer, inner only. Say that like inner only, it says only match rows, which match rows. Full outer, it says all rows from both columns, sorry, from both table. Right outer, it says that all from second matching from first. So I take inner only this time. Click on OK. Again, just modify this thing. Click this icon. I will say only department name. Click OK. Close. So you get details from only these things. I'm sorry, only for these, from employee 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 9. Why not for 6 and 7? Let's see why. Because employee 6 and 7 are of department 8 and 9, which are not in this department table because of that. So I hope this clears to you how to merge two different datas in Excel in one sheet. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.